In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create survey forms in WPForms. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard. From there, go to WPForms and then open add-ons. This is where you can enable extra features that expand what WPForms can do. For survey functionality, you'll need the surveys and polls add-on. So find that add-on in the list, click install add-on, and then activate it. Once it's active, your site will be ready to collect and report on survey responses properly. Next, head over to WP Forms and click Add New to create a new form. Give your form a clear name so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to build multiple forms for different audiences or campaigns. After naming it, scroll down to the Templates section and choose the survey form template. This is a great shortcut because it loads a pre-built form with common survey fields already included, such as name, email, ratings, and Likert scale questions. That saves time and gives you a strong starting structure. Once the template loads, you can begin tailoring the survey to your needs. On the left side of the form builder, you'll see additional field options. Simply drag and drop any extra fields you want into the form, such as checkboxes, multiple choice questions, or a net promoter score field. This makes it easy to shape the survey around the type of feedback you want to gather. To customize what respondents will actually see, click any field in the preview area. From there, you can edit the label, add a description for clarity, and adjust the available answer choices. This part is important because well-written questions usually lead to better, more useful responses. After your questions are in place, go to Settings and then Surveys and Polls in the Form Builder menu. Turn on Enable Survey Reporting so WP Forms can calculate and organize survey data across the whole form. Without this setting, you won't get the full reporting features that make surveys so useful. Then move to Settings and Notifications to configure email alerts for completed submissions. You can use smart tags here to automatically include the user's submitted answers in the notification email, which is helpful if you want quick visibility into responses without logging in every time. After that, go to Settings and Confirmations to choose what happens when someone submits the survey. You can display a simple thank you message, send them to another page, or even show real-time poll results depending on the experience you want to create. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner. Finally, embed the survey on your website and review the survey results once responses start coming in. That's how to create a survey form in WP Forms from start to finish.